But the tricky part of this is that we have to go back and allow ourselves to feel like that child. This is where most people get stuck. Most adults get stuck in this process because they are here. They are in the rational mind trying to understand and understanding, and maybe you understand it. And maybe you now say, well, my parents had to work, and of course they didn't abandon me. I know they love me. I know they did whatever the best they could. I know I don't hate them. I don't, I get it. And then let me keep moving on. But then something happens in your daily life, in your work, in your job, in your relationships, where something happens and you suddenly find yourself feeling abandoned or lonely or rejected or not good enough. That's where the insecurities come from. But I don't feel good enough to do this. I don't feel worthy enough. I'm unworthy. I'm not being valued. I'm not being loved. I feel unsafe. I feel unsafe here. I don't trust anybody. I don't trust this person. I don't trust that. I'm suspicious of everyone. All of that comes from childhood, especially the safety part, feeling safe, because feeling safe is one of the most important need that a baby and a child has. Feeling safe is the first and most important need that the baby has. And again, because of the way that we grew up, because of whatever happened in our family, no family is perfect. That's the truth. No one is perfect. No parents are perfect. No one is perfect. So all parents make mistakes, but it's not that they did it on purpose. They just were trying to figure out what to do with their own lives at the same time they're trying to raise a child. So all of that we can understand rationally now. But the point is that when you were a baby and a child, you did not get that. You could not get that. So the important thing is that you allow yourself to revisit by taking the emotion and the feeling that you're feeling now. So let's say there's a relationship. And when I say relationship, it's any relationship. Relationship with your parents, with your family members, with friends, boyfriends, girlfriend, etc. In that moment, or in your job, relationship with your working partners, with your neighbor, whoever, any human being, something is triggered. So you start feeling, it could be, okay, maybe you start feeling resentful, maybe you start feeling uncomfortable, maybe you start feeling like, I don't know, like something is off here, or oh, why this person made me feel like I'm not good enough in what I'm doing, or this person made me feel insecure, or this person, I don't know if I trust this person, or are they trying to screw me right now, they're lying to me, or I feel just awkward, or maybe the social anxiety thing, things like that. All those things, which it will come different to each individual. I will have to know, how each person is taking certain experience. So if that, what I'm saying is like signs for you, signs for you to find out, okay, what's happening here? Why I'm feeling this thing? And now the first thing that you need is awareness. So if we don't have awareness and we're not present enough in our day-to-day life, especially in our relatedness and relationship with people, how we communicate and how we talk and what misunderstandings are happening, I can't feel what I feel if I'm not here. So the only way that you can identify what you feel is by being here and feel your body. So if something happens that it might make you feel anxious, or it might make you feel uncomfortable, or it might make you feel awkward or afraid or anything like that, then you need to take some time to feel okay and find out or figure out through the feeling, what is that feeling? So usually when you take that time to do that, the same feeling will take you to the experience that created, that caused that feeling now. So it will take you back. Oh, it's coming from here. This is the same work that we do in hypnotherapy with parts therapy and regression therapy.